what does SITA do? Well, we basically support the air transport industry, and we support airlines, airports, governments. We are there at every step of the way.
SITA is in the business of building smart aviation solutions.
SITA really is the glue that keeps the whole community together.
You know, I'm not going to get all carried away, I'm sitting down, right? So we've got 3 areas of focus. One is service excellence, one is innovation, and finally growth.
I believe we have the best portfolio.
So in 2016 we have a plan to really present more innovations to the market.
We are moving up the value chain by working with customers at different levels, getting into new areas in the airport around airport integrated control centers.
I think one of the really big things in the passenger world and that whole passenger journey is in the airport. I think the whole airport landscape is going to change.
That was my beep on my phone.
2016 for me is that in particularly the challenge of facing up to increasing competition.
I think things like single token and using biometrics to really smooth the passenger journey through the airport.
I don't even remember what I said in the first take. Rewind.
In 2016 is really leveraging the new constellation of satellites that are bringing on-the-ground experience to an airplane.
Nice to meet you.
SITA Labs has been very, very important in terms of giving us that credibility as innovators.
And one of our biggest challenge is to continue to innovate as much as we can so we can, get better products and solutions out there to our clients.
Looking at that connected traveler. So how can we provide them tools to connect with the traveler at every instance? Maybe at the airport they can give them more opportunities to buy services, and then how do they continue that relationship with the traveler even after the trip is over?
And we offer a vast portfolio of services that allows them to run their day-to-day business.
I talk on your behalf, Sébastien, but the biggest transformation milestone we did was the first year of Renaissance. So I would say from an internal CIS standpoint, our priority is to accelerate our transformation.
Cloud is a key part, and cloud enabling our SITA application and third-party application is a key focus area for us in 2016.
Growth is good. Growth is a recognition of the market, of the investment we've made. Growth will provide the cash we need. Profitable growth will allow us to invest even more in our portfolio over the coming years.
We've just started 3 major programs, and if you want to mention them.
Yeah, so they are actually quite interesting. We'll be working in areas for identity management. We'll be looking at Bitcoin and biometrics. We'll also be investigating more about a backtracking system and looking into areas like big data for disruption management and warning systems as well.
It's a bit of a hard question.
A great deal of the portfolio that we provide our customers is mission critical, is operationally vital for the airlines to keep flying. So the responsibility on us and our teams around the world are, in my view, phenomenal.
For me, it defines the quality, it defines the value proposition, the brand, it's everything. And basically no business will survive without it, in my view.
I missed it. It's a very special year for us in Brazil because we have the 2016 Olympics Games.
So let's keep on working it together and let's use the passion that we have.
We're proud of you. You do an amazing job.
I think it's to stay motivated, no matter what.
We're going to crush the competition.
We're going to kick ass.
Get ready. It's going to get even more interesting.